Our materials are the milk, the food color, and the detergent. So we pour the milk in the container. Then we put drops of the food color. And then we dip the Q-tip with the detergent and let's see the dancing color. So you can see the dancing color once detergent, the drop of the detergent goes in the mixture, the color dances. And it makes an artwork, a beautiful artwork. Okay, you see the dancing colors. So the children will surely love this science experiment.